Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Credit One Bank refusing to install or update because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to General, inside your settings. After that, go to iPhone Storage and let the list fully load. This shows exactly which apps are taking up the most space. Tap Offload apps on a few large apps you do not use often, which removes the app but it keeps documents and data. Also, check photos and messages since large photo libraries and old message attachments are common hidden storage hogs. Once you've freed up at least 1 to 2 gigabytes, go back to the App Store and try reinstalling it or updating Credit One Bank again. If the error persists, even with free space showing, restart to iPhone completely since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage and clears a stuck storage cache. So, all you've got to do is free up storage in iPhone storage, offload unused apps, and restart if needed. Credit One Bank installs and updates cleanly. Subscribe.